Hey guys, this is going to be what they call like the swimsuit cover up. If you guys can see, I got my pattern and I got it where it crisscross, the bias is cut at an angle crisscross. So I'm going to cut two pieces of this, guys, and I'm going to cut the back, and this side is going to be the belt. So what I'm going to just do is that when I'm not wearing the little swimsuit thing under here, I also can wear this as a maxi dress. So I'm going to make mine as a swing dress that ties. So stay tuned, guys, for the rest of the project. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so the next step is we're going to cut out the back part of this dress. And I know it's hard for you guys to kind of get a grips because of the fabrics is, you know, so similar. So if you guys can see, I have the one piece laid on top of the fabric. So, guys, we're going to cut out the back. But you see this V shape? The only thing that we're going to do different, we're not going to make it a V shape. I kind of did a marking, but it's hard to pick up on here, but I'm actually going to cut the back of the shirt, not like that. I'm going to cut it like this, and then start cutting out the rest of the shape, guys. So that's what I'm going to do now, guys. So you lay your one of your front pieces on top of the back fabric, and now you're going to cut out the back, but the back, remember, is going to be different because you don't want the V down the back. So the back is going to be closed, so you're going to make a more like a loop going like a neck, like that, guys. So I'm going to cut that out and then I'll come back. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, so basically this is what you guys should have. So once you guys cut out the back, this is the back piece, and guys, this is that front piece. So if you guys can see, I have pinned it down and I got the pins going down. So guys, you're going to sew that down, and if you guys see, it's an overlap. I got to lay the other piece. So when you cut out this piece, you should have two, and the back piece should be one. So this is what your swing dress cover up should be looking like so far once you get the pattern, the pieces cut. So now I'm going to put the other piece on top, guys, and I do the belt, and I'm actually thinking about adding pockets. So I'll show you guys that technique too, to put in pockets. Okay, so far this is what you should get, and this is what I mean when I say right sides together. Alrighty, that's what the next step should look like. And you're going to sew this together, and you're going to sew the other one. I didn't put the other one on because I wanted you guys to see. So then I go into the next step. All right. Hi, guys. It's your girl, A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. And, guys, this is the final results of that wrap cover up. And remember, I'm going to make a swimsuit, guys, and the swimsuit is going to go under here. How they doing on the lovely wholesalers. You guys see these beautiful cover ups, and then you guys see the swimsuit under there. But guys, I wanted to be able to have this as also a wrap dress, so that's why I did mine's a little different, than make it kind of like the robe status. So if you guys can see, if you guys do it like this, you can wear it as a swimsuit cover up as well as a wrap dress. Now, the one thing I want you guys to consider, I actually wanted this dress to be a lot longer. I kind of almost wanted it to touch my ankles, but when you got a bigger butt, the dress hikes up over your butt and then your breast. So I would say, guys, when you cut it, keep that in mind that you need more leverage. So you're going to have to make it longer so that it can drag the floor. So I'm hoping that it won't look weird because I got a lot more fabric left. I'm actually going to go from here and add more fabric to it to kind of make it touch the floor, and I hope it doesn't look messed up. And then the next time you see it, guys, it'll be longer, and also I have it open because I'm going to do the swimsuit cover up. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, guys, God bless. So you guys make these beautiful wrap dresses, and you also can turn them into swimsuit cover up. But I love this material. I got this from Harrison Fabrics out here in Minnesota, and no, guys, they don't ship. I tried to ask them if they would be willing to ship to you guys, and the lady was like, no, Tama, you got about 25 yards. So this is that beautiful fabric, guys. So thank you guys for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. These are a couple still shots of the wrap dress. And remember, we're going to use this as a swimsuit cover up, guys. So if you guys want to create this, you can also later wear it as a dress. So all you got to do is when you cut it, cut two pieces and make it crisscross around the front and put the two ties on the side, so you guys can also wear it as a dress as well as a swimsuit cover up. Get more out of your outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, guys. Happy sewing.